Alright, we're recording the sewer line here today at 7318 Latona Avenue Northeast. Date's December 10th, 2020. I'm making this recording as a final showing video of the work done here by Oates Plumbing to repair the sewer line out here. We installed 2 short liners and did a pipe repair here near the front door. What we're looking at there is a Seattle City main. I'm coming back from there directly into our 6-inch diameter permaliner that we installed through here, this section of pipe. So this is 6-inch diameter permaliner, and it turned out really nice and smooth. It's coming back into 4-inch here shortly and into our repair. So you see we go from our repair directly into the liner. There is the PVC repair we made. Coming up out of that PVC repair, that's the downstream cleanout. We're now going to go through the upstream cleanout. Going up back towards the house now. You see the rest of our repair. On the right side of the screen is where the driveway drain ties in. So we put a new driveway drain that's going to drain into the sewer. And we go up into our short liner that then goes into the cast iron pipe. And you can see we've got a seamless transition there from that liner to the cast iron. The sewer's been in the ground this newly replaced sewer's been in the ground for almost 2 weeks now, and it's been functioning flawlessly. The project went very well. I'm going to end the video there.